Hey guys, we're going hiking. So once again, we're at Crowder's Mountain. We're gonna take the back loop trail, the rock top trail on the way up, and then come back down the stairs probably, which is the moderate strenuous to strenuous.
Hello, I'm Tony. I feel okay.
This is me before this is me before the hike.
This is me before the hike.
Mommy?
Hey y'all, this is Mama T. This is me before the hike.
What's up? Let's get it done.
This is you before the hike.
Oh yeah, this is me before the hike.
Daddy?
I'm not.
Say this is you before the hike.
Me before the hike.
Okay guys, this is Malika. This is me before the hike. Thank you. Yeah, I like it down this way. Thank you. Oh yeah, Daddy. Tony, help Daddy. Tony, go help Daddy. Come on, Mama. Put his hand. Now keep it, come on. You. Tony got Daddy. You need help? You up? Yeah, this is hanging out on my pants. He didn't got a ride. Step to the right. Get off of me. You good, Ma? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Thank you.
Tony, don't grab the hand that...
Tony, the other hand, yeah. Tony, make sure you grab the other hand.
Get the wrist.
Whew. I have like several pictures of it. Oh, hold on. Okay.
I usually go once a month, but I haven't been that often. I haven't been out too often recently.
Me either.
This is our third year doing it.
Well, make sure you directly message me on Telegram. You did better than me.
My favorite spot over to the edge in the center. You say all the chocolate.
Tracy, what's it down?
We normally go to the edge on this side of the rock, right? Woo. I'm about to grab that ponytail and yank you back.
That's right. Pull a ponytail. Ooh, this is hard. Right in there.
Oh, do we normally do it over there? Or
Where you took that picture at? It's over here.
we do it on this side of the rock?
Go over there.
Okay, I'm gonna go over
Not
there.
going over there.
You're not going to the edge this time?
No, you know, not in bounds.
I'm busy right now.
Sit down there.
Can I?
Busy, like just looking down there. It's like, whoa.
I ain't just, I don't know. I just want a helicopter or something to just come pick me up.
A helicopter company.
No, not a helicopter. I prefer a plane, but I don't want one. I'm gonna sit for 3 hours.
Then you stand back here? You stand back here? Can I use your stick for me there? Okay, thank you. Oh, I thought this was Aunt Tony. Thank you.
That one is over there towards the You see him? Okay, so that's...
There he is.
Where's Charlotte?
Okay, that's Cramerton. That's Gastonia.
Not yet. But I got to keep setting it.
There's too much cloud cover to see Charlotte.
Yeah.
Charlotte would be the other side of that mountain right there.
Step up.
Yeah, it's just too cloudy this morning.
Wait.
Yeah. So. Ooh, ooh. Oh, hi. Hello. Yeah, sorry. Is she just waking up? You gonna take it to the edge? I'm gonna take you gonna up here, or me take it point it over?
You can put it over.
Okay.
Put it over. Go down.
Can you see? Charlotte's like over this. You can't see it because it's too foggy right now.
Yeah, it's towards that big cloud factory over there.
On that side, is that Kings Mountain?
Let's go down the road and hope I'm
We're at Kings Mountain.
Oh, I thought Kings Mountain was going to Shelby.
The mountain itself, I think, is back that way.
Okay.
Because we are at what is this map called?
Oh, I thought I was Goner.
We're at Crowder's Mountain State Park on the north side. Kings Mountain is south of us.
It's like closer to Shelby
That's
area.
that's west, so it's
This way.
that way.
Yeah.
There's a mountain over there, which I think is Anderson Mountain.
Hmm.
And then there's that one there, which I'm trying to figure out which name that one is.
This is hard. Malika, isn't this hard?
It is.
Just sitting right now.
I'm trying to figure out what's making.
You
What's
can't
making
see,
all that
but
steam
Charlotte's
over
over there.
there. The only thing I'm seeing is a cotton mill.
Yeah. start selling waters. You gonna have to lug them up here.
We're gonna have to lug it up here.
Speaking of, it's time for a good sip of water. You surely would have to have tap.
There it goes. Gene, Allen plant. Okay, that's what it is.
Allen plant?
Yeah, that's the big seam over there.
That's a big old state. Oh my gosh, it's water. If you tilt your body this way a little bit, yeah. Hello.
Blinging on the ring, on the
My ring? Oh, this one ain't my real ring. It's at home.
fingernail.
Oh, my nails like a cow's.
Yeah, the flowers are the same beam.
Oh yeah, because a little diamond, a little fake. That's a good one. Hold on, let's take a selfie. You stay where you are. Okay, there's my phone here. You said to what? Not our problem. I'm gonna go over there to Mom and Dad and give them some candy. Okay. I feel like even though it did get a little tough, it got a little rough, it's still definitely the best I've ever done this hike before. You said what? Oh. It's a sturdy street because I put my weight on that thing. No, the tree that's how I had my house. I was trying to break it down, so it was. I got no ladder, and I was like, I'm gonna hang on it, and it's gonna fall and snap. That thing did not move. I said, I know I lost a couple pounds, but and it wasn't like a thick limb. It was like a limb this width. I said, that tree's sturdy AF because how it ain't fall down when I put my weight on it. Oh, 270, 280. I'm good. And you know I lost 30 pounds? I did. I gained about 10 of them back, so I'm about 20. But I lost 30 pounds. Calorie deficit mostly, but also working out. You know, I work out like 3 or 4 times a week now, faithfully. It just feels different now. I'm 30. I got to do something. I know, right? It is crazy. And I can't believe go like what 20, 23? Yeah. It is.
Coming fast. You chose the hardest way to
Plan on horror mode, huh?
I'm trying to figure out what's making.
You
What's
can't
making
see,
all this
but
steam
Charlotte's
over there.
over there.
The only thing I'm seeing is a cotton meal.
Everyone's coming down?
We're here. We're clear. Not we're queer. We're clear. We finished the hike. Just say your name and that's at the end of the hike.
I'm Tracy, and I finished the hike.
I'm Malika, and I have the walking stick now, and I finished the hike. The guys up there, we'll get them in a second.
This is Anthony. This is me after the hike.
Dad, you wanna do you? You gotta say your name, and this is you after the hike. Say this.
My name is Antoine, and I finished the hike.
Waiting on Toaster, he's in the bathroom.
Hi, I'm Tony. This is me after the hike. I feel great.